Did you know that in 1851, a stereoscope could make a flat photograph feel like a doorway you could almost step through? Two lenses, one image split in two, and suddenly, depth. People would hold them up to the light and go quiet. Not because the technology was loud, because it wasn't. Now imagine that path kept going. Not toward cinema, not toward television. Inward, personal. A device that didn't show you the world, but showed you your own life. Folded into glass and cardboard and held in your hands. A memory of your daughter's 3rd birthday. A Sunday morning that felt ordinary until it wasn't. Moments you never thought to protect until they started to fade. You would hold it up. You would step inside. Alone. And here is the cost of that. Every image is one of a kind. No backup. No copy. If the glass cracks, the memory cracks with it. Maybe that is what made it sacred, not the technology. The fact that losing it was real.